Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to take a look at rejuvenating the paintwork on this BMW 320D, which is covered in tree sap. So before we get started, please take a second just to hit that like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so my mate brought over his 320D today for a quick clean, which didn't turn out to be so quick. The car was covered in tree sap. Where he works, he had to unfortunately park under a tree for quite a while, so the paintwork to the fuel was very tacky, and you can see some of the streaks running down the paint there. Obviously, as we always do, we start off with the wheels. We give it a really good coverage with infinitywax incinerate wheel cleaner. We then go around the tyres with a tyre brush before moving on to doing the barrels with the wheel cleaning brush, and then we'll finish off doing the spokes just shortly with the detailing brush. Very straightforward process. We'll then give the wheel a rinse down, followed by another once over on the tyres with a tyre brush, just to make sure that they are actually nice and clean. I'm sure you've seen people washing hundreds of wheels. You don't really need to see them all, so we'll just speed up through this, play a bit of music and enjoy. Following on from the wheels is when we actually go into the first stage of the wash. First things first, I apply a citrus pre-wash through the pump handle spray here, which I just got a bottle out of a garden centre for cheap. Does the trick. This is infinitywax citrus pre-wash. Give the whole car a really good coating all over. Don't let it dry in the car, you don't want to damage any of your paintwork. Following on from the citrus pre-wash, we'll then apply a snow foam. Snow foam of choice today is going to be infinitywax power foam, and just because everybody loves a snow foam montage, here we go. So after letting the snow foam and the pre-wash do its thing for a good 10 minutes, just give the car a quick rinse down. As you can see, the difference is quite good already. It's already taken quite a lot of the dirty marks off the back of the car, of that rear quarter panel there. So again, quick rinse down, and then we will move on to a 2-bucket wash. So as you can see here, 2-bucket method applied, I'm using the infinitywax pure shampoo. Stuff goes a really long way. Wash your car from the top down using a good quality microfiber wash mitt. Not a lot to it, very straightforward. Go in straight linear motions, try not to go in circular swirly motions, and you'll be good. Following on from the 2-bucket wash method, we went on to the decontamination stage. First things first, using a bit of tar and glue remover. This is amdetails tar and glue remover. You can see how quick the reaction is there with the tar. This is not sped up footage. Really impressed with that. And then after the tar and glue remover, I went on to the iron fallout remover. Again, this stuff goes on really quite thick, so it actually gives you a bit of a longer dwell time on the car before it kind of starts to dry out. It was actually quite a warm day when we done this, so not ideal, but you can see the amount of iron fallout that's coming off the car there. It's really needed a good decontamination, this vehicle. Once you've done the fallout removal and the tar and glue removal stage, I always like to do another coat of power foam and then rinse off. So I'm now going to apply an express sealant from infinitywax. This is 100 ml sealant to 900 ml water applied via a snow foam lance. Easiest way to do it, you can do the whole vehicle in one. Don't need to worry about wetting a panel and then applying the sealant, you just do it all in the one go. Use the full bottle, it's so easy to apply. After that it's just a quick towel dry and we're good to go. And then this is the finished result of the car, just a very quick walk around. Difference is absolutely unreal. Car is looking back to its best, bearing in mind that this is now a 7-year-old car. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. So again, please hit that like button and drop me a little subscribe, you'd be really helping me out.